Your cardiovascular engine might be ready for 10 miles, but your stabilizing muscles and joints are likely only ready for 5. There is a dangerous trap for runners and gym-goers starting to hike: the engine versus chassis mismatch. You have the cardio to go far, but your connective tissues aren't adapted to the uneven impact. In the gym, movement is predictable and concentric. You push weight up. Hiking is heavily eccentric. You use muscles as brakes against gravity. This causes significantly more muscle damage. When you hike downhill, your knees and quads absorb up to 2.5 times your body weight per step to slow you down. If you aren't conditioned for this, your joints will fail long before your lungs do. Furthermore, a treadmill is flat. A trail requires thousands of micro-adjustments per mile. Your stabilizer muscles, the small ones around your ankles and hips, fatigue much faster than your primary movers. This leads to the stumble zone. Once stabilizers fatigue, you stop correcting your balance efficiently. This is why most sprained ankles happen in the last mile of the hike, not the first. To stay safe, fit beginners should apply the 50% rule. Take the distance you can comfortably run on pavement and cut it in half for your first hike. Respect the difference in terrain intensity. You also need to adjust your fueling. A 10K run takes an hour. A 10K hike takes 3 to 4. You cannot power through on stored glycogen alone. You must eat real food or you will crash. Before you head out, verify your readiness with this checklist. Being fit is a great starting point, but it is not a hall pass to skip the beginner phase. Respect the terrain, start short, and build specific trail durability.